Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I'm going to talk regarding IBM recruitment. So yes, if you want to know regarding IBM, do watch this video till end. I will be talking regarding complete end-to-end recruitment process. What are the recruitment steps? What are the recruitment? What I can say? Rounds of recruitment. What exactly is expected from the candidate? And yes, how exactly you can clear it? How exactly you can means plan a better strategy to clear it. Okay, clear it I cannot say directly. So basically it will be about IBM recruitment end-to-end analysis about the recruitment process, what exactly is expected, what kind of CV you can prepare, and yes, how to make yourself prepare when you are facing IBM recruitment, right? So before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself just like you all guys. I am also an IT guy, okay, and I make videos because I keep interest in making videos. I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience, end to end from campus to corporate, even from school to campus, lots of things. Switching experience, on-site experience related to, you can understand what I niche I make videos on. So if you are somehow of that domain, do subscribe my channel, even try to subscribe, share your views to me on my comment or in my Instagram. Actually I want to deliver something genuine and that can be helpful for many candidates from private college, university. If you're watching, that can be helpful in some or the other way, okay, either through process, recruitment, motivation, gyan, anything it can be, or some info, anything, just it can be informative so that you can get some input when you are giving 10 minutes to my videos actually. So that's my motto. So if you want to share anything that you feel about this video, you are open, do put up in the comment box so that people can know what exactly more is expected in this, okay. So before starting the video, चलो वीडियो को पहले समझो कि प्रोसेस क्या है, रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस क्या है. सो IBM जो रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस लेती है, सबसे पहले उसमें कोडिंग टेस्ट होती है 45 मिनट्स की, ओके. और ऑलमोस्ट ये 45 का जो राउंड 1 होती है, R1 इज अ कोडिंग राउंड, ओके. और ये 45 मिनट्स अराउंड होता है, जिसमें अगर आप 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन को कवर अप कर देते हो ना, तो काइंड ऑफ वो राउंड क्लियर होने की चांसेस हो जाती है, ठीक है. सो जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर कंपनी, यहाँ कोडिंग राउंड से स्टार्ट होता है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट है इफ यू आर टॉकिंग एंड सीइंग अदर सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी. सो AC रोल्स के लिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं अभी SD रोल्स का बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल के लिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. वेयर यू हैव टू यू नो द डिफरेंस, द पैकेज डिफरेंस इज देयर, द काइंड ऑफ टेक डिफरेंस इज देयर. सो AC रोल के लिए बात हो रहा है, एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. सो राउंड 1 कोडिंग है, तो कोडिंग में क्या स्टार्ट्स आपको अपनाना है, यू शुड बी वेरी मच सी एटलीस्ट आप किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट कर दो. लाइक IBM रिक्रूटमेंट को अगर टारगेट कर रहे हो, आपके कम कॉलेजेस में आती है और आपको लगता है कि एक अच्छी कंपनी है जहाँ से आपको ग्रोथ मिल सकता है, एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ से लर्निंग टेक्नोलॉजी मिल सकती है, तो आप हैकर रैंक उठा लो, किसी में भी मीडियम लेवल की क्वेश्चन तक सॉल्व करो, लो टू मीडियम, ओके. हैकर रैंक में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होगी, बट हाँ, इफ़ यू आर ऑन टू द हैकर रैंक, सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन, सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स, that will be giving you an idea, that will be giving you an what I can say, end-to-end analysis of a code. Whenever you will be seeing some problem statement, that will be helping you out in order to frame a code for that. लॉजिक लिखना होगा बेसिकली, ठीक है. सो लॉजिक लिखने में आपको आसानी होगा, कोड समझने में आसानी होगा, जो भी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट वर्क प्रॉब्लम रहती है उससे समझ के यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट. सो प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, व्हाट आई वुड मीन, एंड यस यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट फ्रॉम हैकर रैंक. Like I would say, if you are practicing 30 days now, it's enough I can say. If you are practicing in a focused manner, it's enough I can say to clear R1. Now there will be an R2, that will be an English test, and that will be a 15 minute with unlimited question. Okay, there is no limits to the question number, okay, totally dependent how accurate you are in answering all those questions. The more accurate you will be, the more points you will be getting, the more cumulative score you will be getting, and the more selection chances will be there. Not only depending on English, it is total cumulative, because if section wise also, if you are scoring good, definitely your total score will be good, okay. So 15-minute test with what I can say, with no barrier of questions. There will be unlimited question depending upon your speed, your accuracy and all. Basically if you are appearing, see, they will be telling that there is no negative marking, but at the end how they are going to means kind of calculate the marks and all. See, if you're putting a wrong answer, definitely there are deductions. They might not be showing you, but anywhere you remember, if you're in a competitive exam, maybe not in your school exam or college exam, competitive exam, putting a wrong answer is worse than leaving a question. Okay, you can leave it, then there will be less deduction. But yes, if you are leaving, putting it wrong, the deduction will be more. So be clear on that part. Round one, round two. आफ्टर दैट अब देखो रिटर्न से तो डायरेक्ट नहीं हो जाएगा ना, उसके बाद आपको जाना पड़ेगा कहाँ, नॉर्मल इंटरव्यूज में. एक प्रॉपर रेज्यूमे इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेनेवर यू आर सिटिंग इन एन इंटरव्यू. इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर रेज्यूमे इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, because you should know that how to prepare a resume. If you want me to tell you that what exactly you should prepare, so see, as a college student, university student, actually you should be having a certain skill set, and that skill set consist of basic oops concept. Okay, basic things I'm talking about. One language you can take it, either it's a Java or C++. Okay, you can also take one database language, that is SQL. Okay, so that actually you are familiar with it. If you are having some more things like networking and all, you can put it. Else, these three are the basic things that should be there in the CV, and you should be aware about the basic interview question of all these three skill set. Okay, one good project with proper explanation of each and everything that you have done in that project, so that can be helpful in some or the other way to have a better conversation in your interview. Okay, if you are having a basic DS knowledge also now, that can be helpful to give you a positive side. Okay, that can be a kind of a positive and if you are sitting like that. So your resume should actually consist of this part. Okay, when you are preparing your resume, prepare in an attractive manner, so that AI based resume try to prepare, because mostly right now it is shortlisted on the basis of an AI or digital tool, bot tool. Okay, so what I am suggesting you, see, many companies have adopted that, many companies are doing manually, but you don't know now where you are applying, how they are shortlisting and all, what keywords they are searching and all. Better to prepare. There are lots of template available on the Google AI based template. Try to prepare on that, so that at least if you are applying and if they are shortlisting on the basis of an AI, your resume get a passage or a positive sign. Okay, so स्किल्स आप पकड़ लेना. ठीक है, स्किल्स इतना बेसिक स्किल्स ASC रोल्स के लिए मांगते हैं. अगर आप SD रोल्स के लिए जा रहे हो, देयर विल बी मोर एक्सपेक्टेशन, देयर विल बी नो इंग्लिश राउंड, बट इस एक्सपेक्टेशन विल बी मोर, एंड यू कैन क्लियर दिस टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू. टेक्निकल के बाद HR होगा, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्राउड, and if they finally decide and send you an offer letter. Okay, ऑफर के बाद ट्रेनिंग वेनिंग होती है, सबको पता है, बट दिस इज द बेसिक पार्ट दैट यू शुड नो, पूरा रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस. सो IBM की भी रिक्रूटमेंट चल रही है, लाइक बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको फॉर्म्स मिल जाएगा. सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट. इवन आई विल ट्राई टू पुट सम फॉर्म्स ऑफ IBM रिक्रूटमेंट, राइट. दे आर ट्राइंग टू हायर फ्रेशर राइट नाउ फॉर फ्रॉम 2022, 2023, 2024, 25 बैच, 24 बैचेस still. So that can be helpful for you. Prepare resume in a better way. In fact, if you need any personal assistant in terms that you want a mock interview session, you want some personal guidance. बहुत बार आपको खराब लग रहा होगा, what to do, what not to do. You want something like कि चलो क्लियर कर लेते हैं. Instagram पे यार पिंग कर लेना, कॉल मत करना Instagram पे, otherwise it will be means I don't know I will be able to pick or not. Ping करके रखना. Definitely I will be trying to check the messages and trying to reply you all whenever I feel so. I would love doing that if you are doing picking it. Even उसके बाद भी लगे यार पर्सनली कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं, तो भाई देखो डॉक्यूमेंट का लिंक भी मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो में, वहाँ से आप बुक कर लो स्लॉट मेरे साथ, कनेक्ट करो 1-to-1. I will be giving you as per your requirement, as per your doubts. I will be trying to give you a solution because I love to do so. So if you are interested, you can do that. Even if you want to prepare a resume, have a mock interview with me, also check out below the document link. You can get various options. I will be helping you out. And I think that I have covered lots of things. If you think something was mislined, try to put your comment and try to give your input, because I want, if I'm making and putting an effort like 10 minutes on this video, definitely it can be helpful for you, because like my 10 minutes, because actually I am also putting an effort, taking out my time. You are also putting your 10 minutes in order to watch this video, and at the end, if this video is not a funny video, that if no information is there, all will be good. It's like you should get something from this video. थोड़ा बहुत भी अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ गड़बड़ है तो जरूर कमेंट में बोलो। ओके, कमेंट में भर दो, बिकॉज पीपल शुड नो, जो देखने आ रहे हैं उनको पता चल जाए भाई 4 मिनट से अच्छा काम है, 4 मिनट से कुछ काम की चीज मिलेगी, 6 मिनट से काम की चीज मिलेगी, या तो वीडियो में मिलेगी ही नहीं काम की चीज। ओके, या फिर कुछ लग रहा है कि मिसलाइंड है, मिसगाइडेड है, वो भी डालो कमेंट में। उसके बाद भी जो लग रहा है सब ओपनली डालो, एंड यस विल चेक इट आउट एंड विल डू द क्वालिटी check on that part. And let's keep the video till here. If you find this video little bit also informative, do connect with me यार, subscribe कर दो, because we are from a same what I can say, same page or a same plate only, from an IT, and yes, some or the other video may be helpful for you all guys. So if you are subscribing and checking out my channel, you can find multiple videos, and from there there can be some videos that can be helpful for you. So let's keep the video till here. We'll take नई वीडियो में नई informative content के साथ, तब तक के लिए take care and all the best.
Thank you.